how to find autoplay GIFs settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and after that click Hub and then click these three lines here and click settings, and here we'll find app settings. Click on it, then scroll down until you find autoplay GIFs, and that's it. Here you can manage it. Just select anything you want here and then click and then just go back. It will be saved, and that's it. And I hope that can help you to fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.